Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how you can add expense categories on your QuickBooks account. Now, of course, you need to be logged into your account, and once you're logged in, click on the settings option on the upper right corner of your screen like so. This pop-up will appear. So under your company, you want to click on chart of accounts like so. It's going to bring you to this page right here. And on the upper right corner, under the green button that says new account, click on new account like this. And this slide will appear. And here you want to type in the account name. You're going to create a new account based on expense as a category. So just add your name. Under account type, this is where the magic begins. So scroll to the very bottom under expense. You have three types: cost of sales, expenses, and other expense. So click on expenses. There we go. And then under detail type, just choose what kind of expense this is going to be. So for example, bank charges. There you go. You can add a description, and then you can just choose which ones you want to have here. So after that, click on save and you will be good to go. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you like it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.